Hi everyone, this is Richard. In this video, let's talk about the main layout. Okay, so I have the program running. I'm going to go ahead and hit the Solution Explorer right here. Whoops, bring up the browser again. And here is the application. Here are the files. Here is the code for main layout right here. Okay, so when we look at it, what main layout is this is how your program is going to look. Okay, your web application, this is how it's going to fundamentally look. And so usually with these single page applications, they have a specific look to them. And then you just add these functionality onto that main system, right? You typically don't change the entire screen, the entire lookout. So you wouldn't have a top bar here, and then the next you click here, and then all of a sudden the top bar's here. And so you typically don't do that, right? You keep the top bar where it is. You keep other bars and stuff like that where they are. So that's the basic structure of the main layout. And so if we look at this, it inherits layout component base. So inherits, we know that to be, inheriting, the main layout will have the features, both the properties and the functions of layout component base. And then we have, again, since this is a Razor file, let's pull this up here. It's a Razor file. It's going to have both HTML, here are the div tags, main tags, here's an article tag. I was not familiar with that. And there's this here, the at body. All right. The at body is where all of your custom elements are going to be. Okay. So if we look at the system right here, let's get to the home page itself. It's saying basically you're going to have the nav menu is right here. This is supposed to be a sidebar. It's not really a sidebar. You have a top row, and then you have the body, which is right here. And everything will display here in the body. All right? I hope that was clear. And notice after every razor, not every single one, but after many razors, you also have a same name, mainlayout.razor.css. You have CSS located right below it. And that's just the styling, so it's nice and easy to see. As I mentioned in a previous video, I'm not very good with CSS, so I'm sure we could move this thing around. I don't know how, so I don't think it's going to be super important at this stage. But I just wanted to go over the functionality of it. Let's go back to main layout. And so notice a couple of things. Nav menu. Nav menu in most single page applications, it's where you go from there. What links to go to what places, right? So in this program, the links counter, it'll lead us to a counter app. Fetch data will lead us to a weather forecast app. So this is just going to tell the system where to send these, the links, where to represent them in the body. Okay? And so that's the basics. Let's go from there.